Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to get your TikTok account unbanned. So basically, you have to just go Chrome browser. Here you have to type TikTok contact and tap on it. After that, you can just visit the help center. So tap on it. Search for banned. Tap on search button. Just scroll down and you can see content violation and bans. Tap on it. After that, scroll down. In here, you have to just select appeal this decision. Again, you have to scroll down. Here you can see contact us. Tap on it. In report a problem page, you have to select option. It's about the ban, so you should select account ban suspension. After that, you have to enter your email address and you have to type your username. And you have to fill additional details, like you have to explain each and everything that why your account is banned. After that, they will contact you through your email address in the next 24 hours and they try to fix your problem. After that, scroll down and you have to upload your screenshot photo of banned and type submit. That's it guys, hope this video was helpful. Please like and subscribe the channel and also don't forget to press bell icon. Thank you.